Vamos, babies. Hi, guys. Hi.
What did that do there? What did you do there?
Watching Dora. You know, you can video here. It's videoing. So you can go and walk around. Give everyone a house tour. Say, hi guys, my name's Luke. Welcome to my house.
Welcome to my house.
Luke's vlogging. I think everyone knows what Dora the Explorer looks like.
Hey, we should probably vlog what we're doing.
I mean for the vlog.
Something does happen.
Oh, that is cool. It just does that when it's just saving power, but it's still recording. If the red light's on, it's recording.
So all this is amazing.
Oh, look what I did today. Oh, I didn't bring anything because I was on a rush.
No.
Ready? Oh shit, oh, I left my hat. I left everything apparently. Oh, what are you looking for?
Hot water.
Heart rocks, okay. That's fine. By the way, yes, we found the heart-shaped rock, but it's not something I could take on the plane with me. It's more, it's pretty extreme. We're cooking. What are we making?
And I want you to eat that. I want you to eat that. Yeah, I want that.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
What do you want to eat? You want to eat that?
That.
Whoa, it's very hard. It's so hard. Look,
I know. Mommy.
it's okay, but you can soften it. You can put it in the oven for a few seconds with a little bit of. Here, I'll show you a trick.
She's gonna show us a trick.
I'll show you a trick of what you can do, and it makes it even better. First, what you do is you play cricket. Here, ready? This is a trick. That's not really the trick. Just wait, no, it's very hard. Feel it. That, you wet it, and then you put it in foil, and you put it in the oven, and then it comes it again. All right. Now let's put her in the oven. Feel it now. Feel how it feels now. And then we'll see what it feels like when we get it out. It's so hard. It's going to be soft. It's going to be perfect. I'll leave that. That's for this. Very curious. Always.
That is for
Hey.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, how are we going to know when the...
Alright. Now you've got to. Alexa, turn the music.
You know that I'm also a child? That's why I get on with children better than adults. Alright guys, let's just relax. I forget how full on children are. Like in a good way.
Oh yes, yes they are. I get it. That's why I'm sitting here watching you do it, because it's fun to watch somebody else do it for once.
Hey. I'm gonna do my TikTok series now.
Hola amigos, y'all been asking for vegan recipes, and tonight I'm making tofu-taco, so let's get started. The only issue that I have with all of this is like the kitchen is the setup of it all. Hey, can you help with this? Are you gonna help?
Or have you seen the ones where like the Woman does a vlog. Perfect, it's on you, yeah. Yeah, it's on video. Oh, it's only on, oh, it's almost, okay guys. This is dinner, we've got 7% now, see? It's like, whoa, do you want to do some recording?
That's yours. Hey, Leg, you can drink it. Look, it's tea.
Whoa, this looks absolutely banging.
Yummy dinner. Here, Luke.
I can't wait.
It's okay.
I'll be like that.
Do we do it here? Ready? What's this? What's this? Ready?